Okay, hello. Today we're starting the actual game dev in the game engine. Working on the actual game. Last two streams were just Blender modeling. So now this is the main, well, the start of the actual game. I've brought the, this is actually just a small portion of it, but I brought part of the hospital level that we did in the last stream, and I've basically just set up the materials and set up these lights here. So we've got like a light every so often. I didn't put lights everywhere like at the back here yet, but basically I'm gonna just try to get the basic. My plan today is I'm just gonna get the player working, able to walk around and sprint with stamina and stuff. I did a little work on that already. And then I'm also going to bring in Polygon Paul here, the character we did in the first stream. I just did like a really quick basic rig, and there's no materials or anything, but I just gave him some kind of derpy looking animations that I just did really quick. Well, he stands there and he walks. For how simple the walk animation is, it's just like, what is it, that's it. I didn't really mess with the keyframes at all. It looks better than I expected it would. Yeah. That's that. I also cheated a little with the bones. I did some scaling, and like his arms, he doesn't have an elbow and knee joints. They're just arbitrary amounts of bones, so he's just all gooey or whatever. You also might notice I am doing screen capture and not window capture. You know, I'm doing the thing they tell you should not do when you're streaming, because accidents happen, but unfortunately, the engine I'm using, Godot, the editor likes to pop stuff up in new windows, and there's no way to disable this so that it's an embedded window. So, kind of have to do screen capture for this, so hopefully it's nothing bad happens, but hopefully I don't accidentally show you my social security number. Yeah, so far I can walk around in the game, and it's a little weird, but the control's a little weird, but there's a sprint, and there is a stamina, though you can't see it like a stamina bar when I had that. If I run out of stamina, I'm running too much. It'll happen eventually. I guess after, like, yeah, there we go. Now this is as fast as I can walk because I have stamina running out, and now it's, once it runs out like that, you become winded. It's supposed to fill faster. May not be faster enough, but yeah, I think it needs to be more faster. Yeah, that is definitely too slow. Did I actually? Maybe I didn't implement it right. Why is it not filling back up? I don't know. Well, anyway. I'm gonna make the window bigger. Yeah. Let's make it 1080p. This is a 4K monitor, so that'll be like a quarter of the screen. Yeah, that's better. There's some fog and some depth of field, so you can't see like too far away, which hopefully will make it a little spookier. I'm also seeing some bad aliasing there. I don't think I have any anti-aliasing on. You probably can't see it because it's a 1080p stream. My monitor's 2160p, but I'm gonna just do, yeah, 2x. I must say, hey, that should be good. Go ahead and turn it on for 2D too, as well. Debanding should be on. I'm not gonna focus too much on making it look nice for right now on the stream, but that, while I'm noticing it, we'll fix that. Okay, so I go back here. There's actually no collision on the walls, so I just have the floor. So I guess I'll start on a few walls. Just like a few really quick. So I don't want to bore everyone with this. Let's see the collision layer on that. Walls. Shape. I don't think it really matters, but I'll actually move this whole static body, not just the shapes, to like, I don't know, there, I guess. Yeah, sure. I think that's like about halfway. I don't know. Box shape. Let me make the walls. I'll make them 20 centimeters thick because that's what I've modeled in Blender originally. I don't know how much it. I'm gonna stick to that. It's like I don't. As you can see, there's nothing on the other side of the walls yet anyway. So, but still. So I don't have to change it later. Actually, you know what? Make these bigger so I don't have to. Yeah, I'll just do that, like, solid for now. I'm not gonna bother leaving space for the rooms behind it right now. I'll just do those because it's quicker. Duplicate. I'll save that so that one I already did. So make sure these are actually the same shape resource. I'm not. Just like that. And alright, let's just duplicate it again. That's not my direction. That's not right. What am I doing? Yeah, good. Right, we got a unique PowerPoint 2. It's close enough. Oh, it's actually not centered. I don't know what is with the lighting here. Why it came out with a line like this. It might be because of scaling or something. Because these like segments of the wall, I use the same mesh. That there, I'm keeping it there. Just try to be a little neater. These are all too far back from the wall, I just noticed. Hard to see because they're blurry. I think the depth of the field thinks they're infinitely far away and it's just blending on those if it's part of the background. I don't know why it's doing that. Whatever. Yeah, I think this is supposed to be north. Well, it's going to be north. But no, that's what it's labeled as in the Blender file, anyway. And then just rotate it around 180 degrees like that. Is that correct? No. Can I turn the depth of field off in the viewport? View environment. No. Oh, I've got to... Give me a moment. Okay, sorry about that. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. I don't think it will. Not sure where the heck is the... Oh, you know what? I know what I'm gonna do is, do that, and then there's like an extra one at the end. I can select it there. It should be on this end. There we go. Can barely see it, but there it is. Me. So I was looking at this. I want to see how to get rid of the depth of field. Display advanced? No. Yeah, there's not an option. I'm just gonna have to. I'll just move it to the camera instead of the world environment. I know that'll fix it. Where's the... Here it is. Okay, and then get rid of it out there. Okay. No more depth of field in the viewport. Some of these actually are off, like, by, like... But, there we go. It's not like that matters much, but anyway. And then we gotta do... some more thing over here. Walls. Where did I put these? 0.2 meters. Make it the same just to be consistent. And put that there. not leaving space for the doors, even though I do want to let you go into some of these rooms. Why is this not lining up? Seven. Why did I make it 0.7? Oh, why did I do that? Whatever. Okay. Why not? Here we go. Another on that side. And then for this side, we'll make another. Just a new shape. A new box entirely. That was a 2.4 or something. Yeah. I did not prepare any chatting topics for the stream. I should have done that. So I'm not good at coming up with that on the spot. But that's fine. I got my shape before I make that unique. Let me. Yeah, these are shared. Okay. I've had issues in the past where it didn't it duplicated the resources if you hadn't saved it in the scene or something. I don't know if they fixed that or what, but okay. I should just be doing stuff like that. Okay. That's good enough for now. Okay, for the guy, I want to have him like chasing the player. This is the idea for this is I'm gonna make I don't remember if I explained this before or not, but I'll say it again anyway, regardless. The idea I want to do with this guy is make him so he's got he's textured like a he's textured like a with just a normal map and nothing else, so it looks like there's extra detail, but he's in the shape, but he's still gonna be like a flat color. And the normal map I'm just going to bake a really high poly model version with triangles and flat shading, so it just looks gonna look like he's a completely unoptimized Blender sculpt, like you know, certain specific game did. So he's just gonna look really high poly, and I want to make him these animations here. We're playing at 60 FPS. I'm not actually gonna use the animation player, just playing directly. I'm gonna write some code here. And I am going to play the animation myself, and I'm gonna make it so he animates at like 10 FPS or something, maybe even lower. Because I think that'll be funny. It's just like really high poly character and he's lagging really bad. Low frame rate. I don't know if I'm gonna make his actual like movement where he moves around the level or low frame rate, but it's just because it'll be difficult to make it arc with the physics stuff, but whatever. I'll just define his frame rate here. I guess. Let's just start like 10 frames per second. Okay, let me see. So, I think what we need is frame time. Well, I don't know if that's the right word, but... frame time is greater than... what is it? Right? Let me do it like... Just the other way around, actually. So I'll have to do 1 divided by every time. I think that's how you would do it. Play at speed 0, just make sure it's set to the right animation. Let me see if that actually works. Go to our test scene. Bring him in here. He is too big. He doesn't actually fit in the ceiling. I did not realize that. I guess we can scale him down just for now, but I'll have to rethink that a little. So I wanted him to be big, but I could probably just raise the ceiling a little here in Blender. Just do that later, though. Yeah, that's fine. He's like barely fitting under the ceiling. How does that look? Oh, why am I falling through the floor? What? Oh, I think it's because I did the... Yeah, why is that? Not everything. Honestly, by default. Why is there not a... Why can't you just like click and drag over this? Like Blender or select all or anything? Whatever, anyway. Player also should not be under the walls layer. Yeah, okay. How does that look? He is not moving at all. That did not work. Oh. Manually advance the animations by the specified time in seconds. Why does that not work? Or does... Is it because I have the speed at 0, it doesn't do anything? I can't tell if that's... doing anything or not. Hold on. Compared to this? Okay, so it is working if I don't set the animation speed to 0. If I do it there, what about that? No. Oh, I found it. Put it down. Oh, frame time is set to 0, what? Wait, no, that's... Never mind, that's also the wrong thing. Okay. So that doesn't work. What if... Does that work? Oh, I think it does. Yeah, he's moving at 10 FPS. Make it lower. Wait. Actually, he was not moving at 10 FPS. What was he moving at? No, that was... Yeah, okay, no, that's right. Let's make it 8 FPS, see if that looks a little choppier. Yeah. That's good. Low frame rate. Too many polygons. Okay. Now we gotta give him some logic. Let's make it so it chases the player. path to the player. And this export thing, by the way, is so that you can set stuff in the editor here. I try to do that so you don't have to make code changes for everything, because I wanted to have other people on this who aren't programmers. They could make changes, but I'm doing this by myself, so it doesn't really matter. But and by the way, I do plan to give him eye textures. I got him into Blender. I got him into the engine only like less than 2 hours before the stream, so I was just doing it quick. Should probably actually be higher, like actually higher poly, because you can see his little jaggedness there. But that's fine. I could do like levels of detail and stuff, because I actually do care about optimization. And I do actually put effort into optimizing stuff. So I guess this guy should actually be should probably not be a Node 3D. It should probably be character body or whatever. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm just gonna move him in process. Yeah, I can actually make him. If I do it that way, I can make him move at the low frame rate. Yeah. So let's do. Let's do a navigation map. Navigation region. And if fish baking in Godot can be kind of funky sometimes. I've had issues with it in the past, trouble with it in the past. Okay, we'll leave that. Yeah, that's fine. Cells, let's do like... I'll just leave it at the default. I think I'm just gonna leave most of this at the default. Let's just start. Okay, now for the... Oh, that's the wrong thing. Just make him able to walk on the floor. Yep, no. not that much. Yeah. Okay, I don't have collision shapes in the center area, so he's still gonna be able to walk through that, but that's fine. I'll add it later. Bake. Oh, let me make sure to save this to save file. Do I need to make this taller or something? Maybe. Still want him walking on top of walls, but don't think it matters. Why is this not working? Try mesh instances instead. Am I only able to pick layers from... Yep, okay. Why is this not working? Clear the... You stupid... Why won't it... I set it to static colliders and... Nope, it just won't bake anything. Why? Hello? Can we bake, please? Bake a navigation mesh. Why won't you bake? I don't have anything hidden, do I? Where's the option for... Wasn't there an option for hiding specific stuff? Like there's hide gizmos, view gizmos here. I thought you could hide specific types of gizmos, or am I not remembering this right? Oh, it's up here. Yeah, there's no freaking... Nothing's hidden. Why is it not showing up? Why can't I bake this? on. Okay, well, I do not know what is deal with this thing. Yeah, this is why I hate this engine sometimes. I like some things about it. But God, it pisses me off sometimes. Come on. Is it not like world boundary shapes? That may also be it. Which are adding just a large box. No. No, you can't have? No, it just doesn't fucking work. Okay. Whatever, I'll just skip the navigation for now. I'll just make them slide around in a straight line through walls. I'll worry about that later. I thought I had it. Did I close this? Yeah, because I was going to change that node type. Which I'm not. Let's change my mind. I just do like a... Just do like a timer going on a loop. Okay, I'll just make it so like every, like half a second he checks to see if he can see the player, because I don't want to do it every frame or it's gonna lag. What is this? Get stack. Why is it doing this? A second, that's it. It's state, direct space state, that's it. So I'm gonna do like a big... What do I want? Like a circular shaped area in front of him, I guess. Sure. What is with this autocomplete? New rotation edit mode. You don't even call new like that in this language. It's called class name .new. So like new. Don't do that. Like in Java or C# or whatever. Do shape 3D.new. That's what you do. So I don't know why it's... Note, there are several known bugs with cylinder collision shapes. Using capsule shape 3D or box shape 3D instead was recommended. Oh wow. Oh, isn't that wonderful? Or just do a sphere shape. Anyway, let's export it actually. We will set this in the editor. How big do we want it to see? How far did I make it so the player can see? $12 clearly, up to 30 before it drops off completely. So we'll make it like 20. So a radius of 10. Okay, so I'm just gonna do, when he searches, we just check if the players... Let's not bother. Actually, you know what? Don't bother with the physics shape. Let's just do a... We're just doing a sphere. He's facing towards positive. See, so vector 3 change latitude. Yeah, not 20. Let's make it clear this upload so I don't think it really matters, but This mirrors the same song, one song I've been playing over and over. I don't know, I'll check it out. I'll watch it. I will watch it when it ends. Player. Search radius. We're gonna do a raycast. Yes. Intersect ray. Oh. It's global position. Well. Okay, so if the player's in this radius sphere in front of Paul, I'm gonna do a raycast to see if there's anything in the way, and if not, then he notices the player and starts chasing until he can't see you anymore. Yeah, I think that's fine. What was this return again? It is a dictionary. That should be too global. Oops. Okay, so search center is search radius meters in front of ball, directly in front of him, ahead of him. If the player's distance from that is less than the search radius, do a raycast. If the raycast hits the player and not something else, because there's something else in the way, the player was last seen at that position. Yeah, I should probably have like a... Should probably do a proper finite state machine, but that's too much work. I've never actually bothered to do one before. Sorry, checking something. Okay, I did get to the next song. I don't know why it seemed like I was repeating. Why I thought that. Okay. So I'll probably have, what do I want him to do? He should start wandering after he loses track of the player. Just goes to where they last saw him. Or tries to guess where they went, but I'll have to think about how to do that. I'll just make it so he walks towards. I'll just make it so he just walks towards this position. That's that one. There's no move towards method on this. What's his walk speed gonna be? So I want him to be faster than the player walks, but not as fast as the player runs. Let's make it 3 meters per second for now. Yep. Also turn to face them. What is the... Just looking at, let's do rotation. Y. Get the angle that he's supposed to face. Let's see. So we want a 2-dimensional vector of position to here. Let's just do there. Hold on. Let me think. we'll just do this for now. Except this is... Wait. Okay, no, that's right. So... minus... This is becoming an ugly mess. Hopefully... Okay, so that gives us the distance from the offset of the player from all in 2 dimensions. I want the angle of that. There was an angle too. Yep, whatever. What is this angle to point? Versus angle. What is the difference? Returns the angle between the line connecting the 2 points of it. This is the link. Okay. Okay, this is what I want. Angle to point. Except... which is equivalent to this. The amount is... playtime multiplied by something. If I saw him during like... second, also second, so times pi I think is, this is radians. Yes, in radians. So pi radians per second is turns out 360 degrees a second. Okay. Except this means he is returning. This is considered. Okay, this is what I want 0 for a 2D angle to be. Because in 2D, facing to the right is considered an angle of 0. And that's a 90 degree. And that's 180, and that's 270. So, it should actually be the negative angle Plus a quarter turn? No, hold on. Minus a quarter turn? Let's see that, if that works. Is that doing anything? He is not moving. Let's do debugger time. He did not see the player. Let me try. Make it so he's only able to see walls with the right casting, maybe hitting the floor, because his, it's going from his feet to the player. Center of the player. So I made his origin, I made his origin at this feet. But I didn't do that for the player. Collision shapes. Let's see. Yeah, let's make it just floors with only 2. Or sorry, did I do floor? I did 1? Yeah, it's just the walls. Yeah, okay. Only hits the walls. And it returns empty dictionary if it doesn't hit anything. Okay. What is it doing? Okay. Why does it keep doing this? What the frick? It's like it's clicking through this button onto the text editor. What? Wait, what just happened? I just use the keyboard for this. F10. F10, F10. Okay, that's working fine. Oh, and he's... Yeah, of course he's lifting up into the air. What is this animation called? Walk. Sorry, I just want to see if custom speed is, something I need to worry about. Don't know if it is or not. I'll just do this to be safe. But setting the speed scale. Oh, no, that did something weird. He went into the walk animation and then just sort of froze. Okay, that works. Yeah, he's too fast, I think. I made him too fast. Slow him down like a bit. I think that's also too high of a, or too low of a frame rate for when he's actually moving around at that frame rate. It just looks choppy when he gets too close. I don't know. Well, oh, I need to rotate towards instead of move towards. He's going the long way around when he turns. There. Forgot about that. You know what? I'll just make it so the player's origin is at their feet. I don't think it matters. I'm not gonna do any weird physics stuff with the player. I don't think their origin needs to be in the center of their mass. Oh, I got winded. Okay. So, let me make it, first of all, I'm going to add a stamina bar onto the screen on the UI. I'm just going to do a little progress bar really quick. Just to show. Just temporarily, I'll make a proper UI at some point. But, custom. It's like a 1500. Bar. No, that's. Make it private. Okay, so that'll do. Okay, so is the stamina actually working correctly? So it looks like. Oh, but stamina goes past 100. Oops. 100%. Oops. Let's see, I'm in F. Run, run, run. Don't let him catch us. Don't let him catch me. No. Yeah, you don't want to let your stamina run out. And oh, I forgot to make it so you aren't winded anymore. You know what, let's do a, just because I feel like it, I'm gonna do a fancy, yeah, I think it's better the other way. It's more readable. Easier to understand, that's probably better than making it shorter. Okay, yeah, now that works, okay. Run around non-existent walls, okay. So that works well. Okay, what do I want to do next then? I guess I can make collision shapes for the center area. Basic game stuff like a pause menu. Let me think. I think I'll just probably call it for here for tonight. I think that's good enough for one stream. It's like an hour and a half in. I want to keep this kind of short because I gotta do some stuff tonight. So, but I'll do some work on this off stream when I get a chance. So, this is the first time I've had a chance to do one of these in a while. So, sorry, I know these have been very infrequent. I want to try to do these more often. I know I keep saying that, but I don't get chances to very often. So that's why I don't do them very often. Yeah, but I'll try to do like I can probably do one like every Saturday for the next while, maybe, or at least next Saturday I should be able to do it again. So look forward to that, and we'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Good night.